Welcome to our statistics series. Today, we are exploring one of the most fundamental measures of central tendency, called the mode. Simply put, it helps us identify the most popular or frequent item in a group. Let's start with the definition. The mode is simply the value that appears most often in a dataset. If you visualize data as a landscape, the mode represents the highest peak. For example, in the set of numbers shown here, the number 8 appears 3 times, which is more than any other number. Therefore, 8 is the mode. When we look at data graphically, using a histogram or a frequency curve, finding the mode is intuitive. You just look for the tallest bar or the highest point on the curve. That peak represents the value with the highest frequency. To find the mode manually, follow these 2 steps. First, order your data from smallest to largest. This makes it much easier to spot duplicates. Second, count the frequency of each number. In this example, the number 6 appears 3 times, while others appear less often. So, 6 is our mode. Data can behave in different ways. When a dataset has one single, distinct peak, we call it unimodal. The prefix uni means 1. This is the most common distribution you will see in introductory statistics, often looking like a bell curve. Sometimes, you might find 2 values that are tied for the top spot. If 2 values appear with the same greatest frequency, the dataset is bimodal. Bi means 2. Graphically, this looks like a camel's back with 2 humps. It does not stop at 2. If there are more than 2 modes, we call the dataset multimodal. On the other hand, if every value appears the exact same number of times, there is no peak at all. In this case, we say the dataset has no mode, and the distribution is uniform or flat. Why do we care about the mode? It is incredibly useful for inventory. Imagine a shoe store manager. Calculating the average shoe size might give you a decimal like 8.3, which does not exist. The manager needs the mode, the size that sells the most, like size 9, so they can keep it in stock. It is also the only average we can use for non-numerical things, like identifying the most popular color of a car. Finally, let's compare the mode with the mean and median. In a perfectly symmetrical curve, they are all in the same spot. But in a skewed distribution, like the one shown here, they separate. The mode always stays at the peak, the highest point. The median is the middle value, and the mean gets pulled further out towards the long tail. To wrap up, remember that the mode is the most frequent value. A dataset can have 1, multiple, or no modes. It is easily spotted as the highest peak on a graph, and it is the go-to measure for categorical data and determining popularity.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.